Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to install a WordPress theme. WordPress themes can be very beneficial in your website. So make sure you use a correct one that suits your needs and is aimed for your niche. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access a lot of the features in WordPress.com, you're gonna need a paid subscription that costs $40. Now I didn't pay for this subscription, but if you follow the steps I'm gonna tell you and listen to them very carefully, you're gonna be able to do this task and install themes in WordPress in no time. Now let's dive into these few steps together. The first step is install from WordPress directory, and to do that, just go to appearances right here. Now, before you do that, you have to access your WordPress account by going to WordPress.com and entering your account credentials. As soon as you enter your account credentials, click on login and you'll be directed to this home page right here. This home page and the dashboard. From here, go to appearances in the left sidebar, search for appearances. It's right next to the brush icon and click on it. After that, click on themes and click install a new one. Click on install. You can also search for a theme and click install and activate. This is if you want to customize your theme, and these ones you can install them as soon as you upgrade the subscription, like I told you earlier. The second step is to upload a custom theme. If you have a .zip file, click on upload theme by going to install new theme and select the file and drag it and drop it here, and that's it. As for the third and final step and third and final way, you can use the FTP installation, and you can do that by uploading the theme folder to WP Content Themes using an FTP client and activate the theme in your WordPress dashboard. For additional tips, choose a theme compatible with your WordPress version and customize it immediately to match your brand. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.